Hello guys, today I'm going to be showcasing Conflixion Discord server and their Roblox follow bot. So first step, you're going to want to join the Discord server in the description down below. Second step, you're going to need a device that has a search bar. If you're on mobile, just go to Google Chrome and yeah, that will work. So what you're going to want to do is log into your Roblox account and you're going to go to the search bar and copy these numbers in between users and profile. I'm gonna copy that. So I just made this new account, 0 followers, and nothing on it. I just made it right now. So then you're gonna want to join the Discord server. You're gonna have to verify and read all of the rules. Then what you're gonna want to do is go down to bots, and what you have to do is type C follow space and put your Roblox ID. Then you're gonna click enter. It should say sending 30 followers to your username. If it says that, that means that you did it correctly. Now you go to your profile. Now you're gonna refresh the page, and you should have 30 followers. So I hope you guys have a good day. Hope this helped you out. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Yeah, bye.